Hello. Testing, testing, testing. Hi everybody, I'm Maureen Landis, a realtor and new home co-broker specializing in new construction in Loudoun County, Virginia. I'm the owner of Landis Properties, brokered by eXp Realty. Today I'm going to be discussing moving costs and also moving scams that are on the rise. Just like everything else, it seems like, stop. I'm reading from this article from Realtor magazine, and if you didn't know, it's important to hire a realtor when you're hiring a real estate agent. We're committed to a higher standard of ethics, and we belong to a national association of realtors. So the good news is Loudoun County isn't even on this list, and Fairfax County, the moving costs have actually dropped 19%. So other areas of the country, moving costs are on the rise. We're lucky something here near Washington, D.C. is cheaper than other places. And the silver lining, even more to that, is that moving costs are predicted to fall for everyone nationally by fall 2024. The bad news is that, unfortunately, like so many other areas in the past few years, scams are on. Moving scams are projected to jump 35% year over year by the end of 2023, according to a separate analysis by Hire a Helper. And again, I'm quoting Realtor magazine. And that's a 42% jump over 2022. The average victim of one of these scams says that they are out $836. That's the average that people are out for. So here are the ways that people are being scammed so that you can be on the lookout. So the first one is no-shows. So incidences of movers booking a job, charging the customer, and then not showing up. No-shows accounted for 26% of these moving scams. And after they book you and take a deposit and schedule and you're all packed up and ready to go, then you're not able to contact them afterwards. And that's also part of the scam. Another kind of moving scam is mover fraud. So this is kind of unbelievable. This is when a fake moving company poses as a legitimate moving company, moves the person's belongings, and then holds it as ransom. So unbelievably, these have accounted for 24% of complaints to the Better Business Bureau. Another scam that you should be on the lookout for is a change of address scam. I guess I shouldn't be too surprised. I've had friends and acquaintances pass on videos about exposés of people pretending to be pregnant or pretending to sell their house and then not following through. So this is just one of those crazy scams. The victims are redirected to a website that looks like the official USPS.com website, the United States Postal Service. So the change of address scam is when the scammers trick you into paying for a service, usually around $100, to take care of all your change of addresses. So change of address scams accounted for 31% of complaints of moving scams. And by the way, you can know it's the real USPS website because the United States Postal Service only charges about $1.50, I think it is, to change your address. So change of address scams accounted for 31% of complaints of moving scams. So there are a few other ways that people are scamming and taking advantage of moving families and individuals. It's movers who adhere to fail to the terms of the contract. They overcharge. They bribe customers with discounts for positive reviews. And incidentally, the report states that Wyoming is the highest case of all of these scams. So to avoid being duped by these scams, you want to get quotes from multiple moving companies before you sign anything with just one. Be skeptical of significantly higher or lower quotes. Be skeptical of a lack of detail. Be skeptical of a lack of details, absence of a written contract, and be skeptical of excessive down payment. Check the company's online presence. And by the way, our website is on the web, landisproperties.com, and feel free to check us out. If you're in the area, contact me and I can help you move or sell your home. Include photos of your things. This way, even if a legitimate mover helps you and accidentally moves and damages something, you have evidence. And you can also use these photos of your valuables when you're applying for home insurance at your new place so that all your valuables can be protected. And on that note, make sure you lock up your really valuable things. Even legitimate movers could accidentally move or break something, so it's better safe than sorry. More ways that you can protect yourself are to keep a detailed inventory of moving. I know this can be annoying, but it's just good practice. Speaking of insurance, you can buy moving insurance. So again, you can do a Google search, check out their website, make sure they're reputable, ask family and friends for recommendations, and make sure they're a legitimate company before you sign anything with them as well. You could also go through your regular homeowner's insurance, or even Geico, your auto insurance might be able to recommend insurance for your moving services. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, and you would like to learn more about the real estate market today, real estate buying and selling in general, or if you need selling your home or buying a home in the Loudoun, Fairfax, Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia area, reach out 202-827-5069, and we're Landis Properties on. Great day.